Time will pass away, but your word will never fade. Many generations passed, but your kingdom forever lasts. You are my God, I give you praise. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, ancient of days. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, I give you praise. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, ancient of days. Hallowed be your name. Your word is my next stop. I can stay here for the rest of the day. Cause in your presence there is wholeness, joy in its fullness, and I won't have it any other way. Yeah. You are my God, I give you praise. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, ancient of days. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, I give you praise. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, ancient of days. Hallowed be your name. Nobody like you, yeah, yeah. Hallowed be your name, hallowed be your name.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing DJ Afraid and my homeboy, Limo.
Say you rescue the boy, say you love me to comfort the boy. And if I fall anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy. Say you rescue the boy, say you love me to comfort the boy. And if I fall anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy.
Your type of love be the shock person. If not, what I go drum person, oh yeah. It is so good and it's so real and it's so free, yeah. The type of love be the shock person, oh yeah. If not, what I go drum person, oh yeah. It is so good and it's so real and it's for free, yeah. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, so your love it was brand new. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, your love it was brand new. Forgive my shortcomings, you know I hate these shortcomings, oh. I don't know why I do things I hate, oh. Forgive my shortcomings, you know I hate these shortcomings, oh. Cause the things I wanna do, I don't do them. I'm a mess, I don't know why you love me. I break your heart, but see the way that you love me. I know it's not undo way you love me, so I break your heart, but see the way that you love me. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, so your love it was brand new. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, your love it was brand new. So I said, do, I'm gonna do. I thank you and I bless you for your love, na, 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 na. So I said, do, I'm gonna do. I thank you and I bless you for your love, oh.
Say you rescue the boy,
Say you rescue.
say you love me to pamper the boy.
And you pamper.
And if I fall anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy.
Oh, na, na.
Say you rescue the boy,
And you rescue.
say you love me to pamper the boy.
Yes, you pamper.
And if I fall anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy.
I'm a mess, I vibe, say your love it was brand new. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, it's your love it was brand new. So I said, do, again, do. I thank you and I bless you for your love. Oh. So I said, do, again, do. I thank you and I bless you for your love. Oh. Operate.
Yes, sir. You already know. Worldwide. DJ Alpha and Limo Blaze. Is that Jesus music? God loves you. Never forget that.
Mix wonders magic.
When I call, you're always there. You always answer me. Oh yeah. You're always there with me through any and every season. You are my guide. So how could I worry when you are for me? Your grace is all I see. Your favor's all around me. You are always there for me. I will not worry, oh no. Oh yeah. So I'm sure goodness and mercy always follow me. Oh, your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Yeah. All around me. All around. You are all around me. All around me. Yeah. All around me. Yeah. And all I see is your beauty all around me. And all I see is your glory all around me. Oh, Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. Oh, you're full of mercy, Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Oh, to know love is to know you, Lord, you are ever faithful and true. Yes, you are, Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. Oh, you're full of mercy, Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Yeah, yeah. Follow me to go. Yeah. Follow me to go. Follow me to go. Follow me to go. Oh, goodness and mercy. Follow me to go. Always follow me. Yeah. Your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Oh yes, all around me. Oh, your favor follows me. Your grace all around me. Oh, I've been searching far and wide for love that could only be found in you. Perfect always is your unfailing love. It's all in you, my Jesus. Never changing, never failing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your love is all around, 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 never never failing. Oh, your love is all around, yeah. Around, 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 around. You never let me go. Turn my life around. Around, 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 yeah. Your love is all around, yeah. Around, around, around. You never let me go. Turn my life around, around, yeah. All of my scars, all of my pain.
What's up, chat? Happy Wednesday. How you guys doing? Good morning. What's up, Philip? What's up, Eric? How you doing, guys? If you guys can drop some energies in the chat, let's see who's here. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning.
All my mistakes, you washed away. You got me singing like never changing, never failing. Your love is all around, hey, around, around. You never let me go. Turn my life around, 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 yeah. Your love is all around, yeah. Around, around. You never let me go. You turn my life around, around. You never let me go.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers. When they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open. Just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for
What's
me,
up, gang? What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? What's up? Let's see who's here. Eric, Andre, how you doing? Raymond, ako nag-entry. No, I haven't entry anything here. This, yeah, I'm looking for buys here, but the candle didn't close bullish. As you can see, weak body, so no trade for me. And I just started the live stream, dog, so yeah. All right, how you guys doing? Good morning, happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy Wednesday, gang. How you guys doing? Shout out to 15 viewers, 16 viewers right now. What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Happy week so far. Oh, nice. W. Crazy breakout yesterday, huh? The 1 hour push through here. Yep. The 1 hour no top wick push. So I haven't touched anything here on price. But you know, we're back in the range. Now we're going up again. WGBP-USD. You guys are having some dubs there. Alright, we're going up here. We have a decent range to trade. Alright, so yeah. Let's do the top down here. Give me a second. Let's start with alright, let's start with the wick. Hello, Jagna. How you doing? Good morning. What's up? Alright, let's start with the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, as you can see here, we're driving up, right? So we're push up towards the resistance area here. So we have resistance been formed here on price, and we have support that being respected 2 times, right? So we have here and here. Right now, this weekly candle is trying to drive up on the resistance area, but I believe, yeah, we top some resistance level here on the lower time frame. So we still have 2 days and 14 hours for this candle to close, right? So I would say right now we're reacting on this resistance area. I would say 3,380 or 85 there, right? So let's drop down to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, okay, we don't have top week closure. So what will happen if we don't have any top week closure on price here? So what will happen is we're gonna probably react or gonna push down even further, because once you close no top wick and we're driving up towards the two resistance area, we gonna see probably this closure right on the daily, because you don't have range to move up on the daily, right? So yeah, how many pip we moved today? 200 pip move. Okay, so drop down to 4 hour. Okay, we move up. We have some structure here that being respected. Structure bullish. Okay, in the 4, we have resistance here. We have the support overall. This is the overall range we are currently in. Right now, we're in the middle of the range again, because we have breakout yesterday, right? So we have breakout here. Okay, breakout. So push up. Now this candle backs in the range. So different story now. We see candle back in the range, but the problem here, this has no top wick, no bottom wick. So let's see what will happen in the 4. But we have clean traffic going up and going down here, and as you can see, the 1 hour has a breakout now, right? And if we're gonna remove this, right, what will happen here is, look at this. This is the breakout that I'm talking about, right? So we have a breakout now on price. Breakout. Now, as you can see, the next candle, you know, the previous structure comes back in the range again. So this one, So right now, I don't think that we can move up even further today. But I can, I can look for sells too because we are going back in the range. And we've seen, yeah, we have a lower wick here been created. There's a high chance that we can, push up on the lower time frame. The 30, okay, we have some structure here in price. This one is structure, right? Resistance support. So we're just stuck in the range. And the 15 looks the same. So right now, man, we have a decent range here. Probably consolidating today again. Let's see, we have news today. Wednesday, we don't have news, okay? We don't have news. Really nice. Tomorrow, we have news. Okay, nice, cool. Let's see, gang, if we're gonna grab some trades. Probably, yeah, sell trade. Probably gonna look for sells. Probably. So this is my resistance area because this is resistance on the 30 and the 1 hour. 1 hour, there's no resistance. The resistance up here, but the 1 hour is taking much time. So I'm gonna look for 15. All right, gang. So if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. We're pushing up. 6 minutes for candle to close. 6 minutes. What's up, Race? How you doing? How you doing? Shout out to 18 viewers right now. Gang, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream and subs to the channel. Really, really nice. Really clean, really clean. Asha, good morning. How you doing? I'm looking for buys in here earlier, but I want this at least closure on price so we can move up here. But the problem here didn't close. How far back? So I'm always looking for the previous structure, like on the left, this one. So basically, this is the previous support. We have previous support here that being created. So I'm gonna look on that and the previous resistance. You always look on the fresh resistance and fresh support. That's how I do. I'm not gonna look on the previous week or previous days. I'm always looking on the fresh one here. I would say current. That's how I look on the support and resistance. Gang, like the stream and subs to the channel too. One minute for candle to close. 67 pip. Man, one candle rips up here. 130 minutes candle rips up. Bam. Next 1 hour can push up here. If you have a lot of volume. Do you usually have a bias trading? So right now, I would say I'm heavy bullish on price because we moving up. The weekly is bullish, monthly is bullish, weekly is bullish, daily, yeah, we're grabbing orders here, topping the resistance, so bullish. The 4 hours trying to move up. Yeah. So my bias is bullish, but I'm open, okay? I'm always open to take sells if the setup shows up. So that's how you're gonna adapt to the market. You don't need to have a bias. Oh, I'm gonna follow my bias today. So I'm no, I need to adapt, right? I need to adapt. We need to adapt. So I'm open for buys and sells. Depends on what the market brings me. You don't need to have a full bias like, oh, I'm gonna take buys. I'm gonna take only buys today. No. You need to understand. You need to adapt what the market gives you every single day. So right now we have a clean traffic. Okay, we have a closing above the range. That's really cool. Right now I'm gonna wait. All right, I'm gonna wait for the candle to close back in the range like this once you re-break the high, so that I can take a sell going down to retest the low again. Cool. There's gonna be an onions. Where's the onion here? So I'll show you onions. So onions there. We're gonna look the sell. Okay, we're gonna look for onion sell. Okay, this one. Oh, look at this. Onion sell, and what else? Sell this one. Okay, 20 pips. Oh, look at this. Onion sell. The same, right? The same setup. Same candle print. Where's that onion sell here? So this one. Look at this. Right? That's how you adapt. 1 hour no top wick. This 1 hour can rip up here again. This 1 hour can push like this. Right, so we're gonna have a huge range, which is interesting. Dun, dun, dun. Right now we just need to wait. Shout out to 24 viewers. Gang, make sure you like the stream. Can I see 20 likes? Just a thumbs up, bro. Thumbs up, gang. By the way, I really appreciate those people are dropping some chat in the YouTube chat, okay? I really appreciate you all the people that, having some questions, dropping some energies in the chat. Yeah, keep going, man. I like the energy, and to those people that not, dropping some energies in the chat, it's okay. You guys hide with your keyboard there. Keep on hiding, gang. Keep on hiding, you're gonna be successful. The 4 is moving up. 90 pip move on the 4 hour. Cool. Sinisilip mo din ba DXY? Yeah, sometimes I'm looking at DXY, like especially on news. Right now we're moving up. So as you can see, the 1 hour moving up, why the gold is moving up too. So there's no correlation between DXY and gold. Okay, you need to understand that. But sometimes when news pops up and when the gold is melting down, the gold is pushing up. Sometimes it happens, like this. On the news, as you can see, and then the gold is pushing up. But sometimes when the market's like clean, as you can see, we're moving up, but the gold is moving up too. The same thing, right? So there's no correlation between the XY and gold. So don't take trades blindly. You're going to say, oh, there's correlation between US dollar and gold. Gold will move, okay? Gold will move. Whatever it takes, it will move. We are breaking the range. So we have decent 37. No. Now I really want to take sells because we have clean going down. Clean. Gang, if you have any questions, drop it in the chat. Boom, 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 boom. Damn, damn. Baslep, I was supposed to. Oh, didn't buy. You didn't take a buy. I was supposed to buy 3379. 3379. Where it looked like a double bottom. Wow. Strategy. You have a strategy, dog. You have a double bottom in your face, huh? Yeah, if you take buys here, you're up 50 pips now. Man. Yeah, next time, take that double bottom, man. I'm a strategizer. Yeah. Four minutes. No closure below. No below sure. Impulse. Damn, 31 pip stops or 36. This kind of close. Wick. Bullish. This can happen here. The 1 hour no top wick. So we necessarily don't have to wait for range to sells if buy is bullish. Yeah, for me, I'm not. Depends on the candles, right? Depends because if we're gonna wait for range to break out like this, so let's say here, this is gonna be the range 2, right? So this is gonna be the range 2, this is the range 1. So the problem here is when we're gonna wait for range 2 breakout, it will take time. Alright, so you need to understand that you have resistance on the left that being respected or being created, the fresh resistance. You have a fresh resistance and the candle close above. Once the candle close below, that's my setup there, like this, to move back down even further. Because if you're gonna wait for range 2 breakout, that's different. That's, old scenario. Right now we need to adapt. That's why the onion been created there, the onion setup. It depends on the candle, how the candle close. Okay, if the candle close heavy bearish like this, yes, I can take a sell going down. Depends on the candle close. All right, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Sorry, I didn't hear it properly. Said onion setup. Did you set? Oh yeah, onions. If the candle close above, you look for continuations. If the candle close above, as you can see on the 15, we have a little bit of choppy here. So I'm not gonna touch anything on the buys yet. Okay, we need the clean traffic like this. As you can see, the clean traffic going up. You need at least 30 pips and above. Clean move. Onion setup. Yeah, the onion setup should re-break the previous candle high. So this is the previous candle high, right? The onion should re-break that and then probably close back in the range like this. So this is the onion. And then we're gonna take sell on the next probably candle. Right, so the onions, would say really clean onions, sell. Where's that sell? This one. So look at this. So look at this, okay? We have a previous high. And then after open of the candle, re-break the high, close bearish. So I take a sell on the re-break of previous candle low. So you can see that. So that's the onion. Should re-break the high for me. So it will, add a confirmations, right? All right, no closure below. We push down. So we create a bottom wick on the 30 and the 1. So, man, this 1 hour can push up. Because we re-break the current candle low there again and then push. Let's see on the next. Why it's called onion setup and how to enter a trade. Thank you. I'm just adapt this to another trader, like adapt this to Don, and it's the same with the Raja strategy too. It's support, they call resistance setup, and then yeah, I just adapt it. How to enter, I just share it with you guys. Right, so when the candle close, for example, bullish, okay, we close above bullish, okay, and then the next candle close back in the range like this. Now we can enter on the re-break of the previous candle low or on the current after creating a top wick, and then once the candle flip, this is gonna be the enter here, and then the stop should be up here. So it's gonna look like this. Right? Makes sense? Or you can enter on the re-break of the low, previous candle low here. That's give you more confirmations that the price will move down. Right? Onion. Now I know what's for lunch. Damn. Makes sense, bro. Yes, yes. And where will be the TP? The TP depends. Depends to you how you gonna uh manage the trade. For me, if I see some resistance or support on the left, I probably gonna manage there. I'm really happy to take my piece of pie and then call it a day. That's it. TP, man, you don't need to chase whole move. You don't need to chase this 60 50 pip move. You just take piece of pie there and then call it. That's the trade. And for me, I'm not basing on the RR like 1 to 2, 1 to 1, but yeah, basically it's 1 to 1 RR. Pineapple and onion, damn, I'm learning. Wow, W, bro. Thank you, coach. No probs. W gang. Mm. Right now we gonna wait for resistance to form a fresh resistance. We can move down. Let's see. Steve, we have time. You know, we have time. So if you have any questions, shout out to 30 viewers. Gang, make sure you like the stream. Subs to the channel. Mm. Oh, you took buy. Okay, nice. Break above resistance. Yeah, it looks clean. Looks clean here. You're 30 pips in profit. Yeah, hold it, gang. Hold it. Double bottom will work. Yes. Of course, that's gonna work. If you really trust the strategy, it will work, man. You just need to be patient on that strategy. And all the strategy is really working. The question is how you gonna work with that strategy, Boom, boom. 5 minutes for candle to close. $86.80 is the new expected range high. $86.87. Yep, yeah. So you have resistance here. Now, once this candle close above, you need to see retracement now to move up. We are moving up, gang. Moving up. Holy. Look at this. No top wick pushing up. No top wick pushing up. That's the gold. Give me a second, chat. Mm. 1 minute and 30 seconds. is the support value right there. We're stopping on the 30. Which support? Which support? The support is down here, gang. The support is down here. This is resistance. Daily, no top wick, right there. Above that you drew here. Yeah, this is valid. Yeah, this is valid, gang. So right now we are. This is the range 1, okay? Range 2. Range 2, no structure. As you can see on the 30, no structure, just pushing up. Oh! Volume. You need to re-break the high. Looking to the left, the price top a level. Is it support or doesn't count as level? Which one? This one? No, this is the previous one, so it doesn't count. This one is not the support. So I'm always looking at the current structure. Which one? This one? No, this one is not support. So basically always look on the current structure here. I'm not looking at this as a support because we have support here that been created on price, right? This one is the support and you have resistance here. So you always, once the break resistance, now you're gonna look for another resistance. This is the another resistance. You're not gonna look for support because we are moving up. You're gonna look for support if we are moving down. Doesn't make sense, right? If we are moving up, why we're gonna look for support? Because the support is down here. This is the support. If we're gonna move down, yeah, you go Now you go look for support. So the support is here. If we're moving up, you always gonna look on the resistance on the left hand side, not support. All right, so yeah, now you get it. W. W. Eric Matuku. Mutuku. Yeah, gang, if you have any more questions about trading or psychology, whatever, drop it in the chat. Boom, 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 boom. 6 minutes for candle to close. Dun, 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 dun. 4 minutes and 37 seconds. No buenos for me, gang. So technically I need to see re-break of the high before taking sell, no? Should close like this. Taking sell. Right now we're breaking, I would say, we're breaking above. We're in this range 2. So I need that confirmation to take sell going down. There's no re-break of the high there, so I'm probably gonna stay away and wait. And the waiting game. Damn. What's the 30 flip? Re-break the lows. Oh, yeah. Do you use timing in your trading? London usually has session reversal at about 1:30 your time. Yeah, I always, showing up on the London session, and I don't really, care about reversal or whatever. I just follow my plan here. I just continue following my plan, following the rules, the playbook. especially, right? If the playbook shows up, I don't care about reversal or whatever. The playbook shows up, I'm gonna take that playbook trade. I'm not scared, I'm not scared about the trading. I'm not scared because I have playbook, I have plan that I need to execute, right? If you were saying session reversal or whatever, I don't think that it's if you're not following your rules, you're gonna be scared. You need to be scared if you're not following your rules. You need to be scared. But if you're following your rules, you don't need to be scared. You don't need to worry about session reversal or whatever. You just follow the rules, follow the playbook, and you're gonna be good. Now we have resistance. Trading, yeah, trader without a system is always scared. Yep. So if you doesn't have any system, you need to be scared. But if you have a system, you don't need to worry about, right? Because you're just executing the system that you have. Boom, boom. I'm trading for 2 years, coming 2 years next month, and on this strategy, I would say 1.5 year now. Because when I start trading, I have holy grail strategy, just buying and selling, still gambling. But right now, 1.5 year in trading, I haven't changed anything. I haven't jumped on this strategy to another strategy or what. I just focus on one system and be creative. I'm being creative. I'm being patience. Yeah, okay, YOLO. Yeah, when I start trading, I believe 1 to 5 months, start trading. No system, no nothing. I made 5 grand, 5K USD, and then in 1 month I blew it all. And by the time, hits me hard because I withdraw it and then I keep depositing the money again, blew it all. And I stumbled upon this price action first with Dawn, and I found Raja, and I focused more on Raja and bought his course. It really works. There's too many people that are winning. Once you have patience, man. Just focus on yourself. That's it. And if you want to be a funded trader, gang, if you want to be a funded trader, don't focus on becoming a funded trader, right? Don't focus on becoming a funded trader. If you want to be a profitable trader, don't focus on becoming a profitable trader. Focus on the skill first, right? Focus on building yourself. And yeah, eventually you will see results on the way. Right? Makes sense? 30 minutes closure in 8 minutes. Five minutes. Oh, we can have some impulse cells on the re-break this low. We need closure. Weak bullish closure. A weak bullish closure might get here. 3 minutes. No bueno still, gang. No bueno. No bueno ski. We are moving up, gang. Damn. Damn. Hit your TP, gang. Oh, nice. W, gang. W. No Vinoski yet. So we have levels here. We need to wait here for close. Sure. Right? Let's see. We still have time, gang. No worries. Give me a second. Nothing, gang. Nothing. No movement now. Seven minutes for candle to close. It's the 4-hour open. Okay. 4-hour open. And it's nothing. Nothing. Too many patients today, huh? 30 people, 31 patients today. Damn gold. Look at this trend line. Let's have a look. Let's put trend line here. Right, how many top? 2 top. Right, like this. And like this. Right. Daily should pop sip. Nothing, gang. Nothing, huh? Today. Close above. Cannot take buy. I cannot. What's up, 35 viewers? How you guys doing? Make sure you like the stream. Subs to the channel. I'm always live every day, Monday through Friday. If you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. No volume. That 4R needs a bottom wick. Yeah, we need bottom wick on the 4. We need a bottom wick. Probably here. Like this. Should be look like this. Mm. So right now we are ranging on the 15. So the 30 and the 15 should close below the Excel. And the 30 should close below, but still the Excel. That's gonna be the 4-hour bottom wick. Mm-mm-mm. 8 minutes, gang. Still have time. So can we move down a little bit further here? Can we close below 3383? Closing below 3383 is nice. Or a 30 minutes impulse. Yeah, 30 minutes looks nice here, but we don't have volume. We don't have volume. Structure should close below. 6 minutes for candle to close. That's 30 minutes closure too. Okay, nice. It's really nice. Can we close 3383? Yep. Give me a second, gang. How to tell if there is volume on the candles, how the big candles is, because right now we have 16 bullish, so basically this is a volume, and how the candle move, the volume and the session. We are in the London session, and the NYA start at 3 p.m. Dubai time. Yeah. So London session will push down probably. Let's see. We're closing below 3383, and we have a potential here probably. Potential sales. In 3 minutes and 27 seconds. One minute and 30 seconds, gang. Can we close below 3383? All right, we're closing below. Finally figure out how to manage both at the same time. Wow, nice. W, Lori. W. Ooh. Damn. We need a bottom wick. Yep, we need a bottom wick here. You're a Gandu, bro. I'm not Gandu. You're a Gandu, man. All right. Let's hear, gang. We have closure below. We need top wick and flip. Do we have a bottom wick? Yeah, move up. Move up. Re-break the low. I'm not gonna enter a sell here right now, chat. I need to see re-break of the high again. Because yeah, we have bottom wick here, but I need to see at least re-break of the high again before entering a sell. Once you re-break there, and then probably keep the sell limit until they break at the low. Can we re-break the high again? All right, I'm gonna put sell stop on the re-break of the current candle low. Sell stop on the re-break of the candle because we re-break the high again on the 30. So this must be nice if we re-break the low here. 35 pip stops if we're gonna be activated. Let's see if we're gonna be activated here, gang. $10. Can we activate here on price? Should move down here. Really clean move. 76 pip move. The 1 hour should push down. All right, can we activate? Can we activate? Flipping down again. Can you re-break the lows? All right, chat. I'm activated on cells here. Activated on cells. So stop loss is gonna be 35 pips or 38 pips here on price. Should be on the re-break of the previous candle high there. All right, this is gonna be nice and clean traffic going down here. Let's see if we're gonna move down today. Okay, so I'm activated on cells here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's slip. Pips. 4 minutes for candle to close. Can we move down now, gold? Can we create a 4-hour bottom wick before you push up even further today? Three minutes for candle to close. Can we rip down now, gang? Can we rip down and push? Push, push, push. Yeah, the 5 looks clean here. See, look at this range going down. Right? We just need volume to push through. Probably late candle volume to push through here. Because we're closing below the range. So we just need volume to push through. Can we push through now, gang? 15. Push through now. Two pips in profit. Okay, nice. One minute, gang. The 5, maybe the other 5 will push through. Probably the other 5 will push. Alright, re-break the lows there, gang. Re-breaking the lows, you see volume. Can we move even further now? No bottom wick. And the 50, no bottom wick here. Can we push through? All right, we close above in the the 5. Now we need this candle to flip. Volume is a little bit slow. What's this? How many pips once you re-break the high? 16 pips. Yeah, 16 pips. Okay. All right, flip it. Can we re-break the low now and move down? Once we re-break the low and move down, I probably manage the trade. We have low volume. We need to see re-break of the low. Can we see volume now, gang? Volume, drop it. Psst. Can I see some psst? Psst. Chat. Psst. Can I see psst? Psst. Psst, move. Psst, move. Psst, move. Psst, move. All right, we re-break the lows. Can we re-break? Push. Can we re-break and push? All right, gang, re-break there. All right, nice, 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 nice. Cha, I'm gonna manage my trade. I'm gonna close half of the position here at 8 pips to manage the trade, okay? So I'm closing half at 8 pips. Right now, I'm gonna move my stops to break even. Okay, this is gonna be a risk-free because we don't have volume. I don't like this momentum right now. So I probably need to manage the trade, otherwise I don't want to stuck into drawdown again. I close half at 8 pips. The volume is a little bit slow today. Probably volume will come at NY open. Yeah, this beautiful setup on the 30 and the 15 too. I told you, just psst, man, sometimes it works, you know. Damn, can we push through now? Can we push? So my stops at BE now. Let's see, we're gonna push further. Alright, gang. If you want to take partial here at 10 pips, 11, 12 pips, you can take partial. 13 pips in profit now. Alright. Okay, chat. I probably gonna close for right here at 14 pips. Oh, I close at 14. Oh my god, I see 20. Oh, I close at 14, yeah. Damn. W's in the chat, gang. W trade, W's in the chat. If you got that, man, we are pushing down. Nice. Only in the YouTube live stream, gang. All right, we waited. A nice setup here. As you can see, onion setup on the 30. Take the re-break of the low here, bro. This is gonna be a textbook trade, right? So I'm happy with that trade, gang. Happy made that 800 USD today. 800 USD. That's really nice trade. Really, really nice trading. You student of Raja? Yeah, I'm student of Raja. Wow, bro. Damn. Late candle. Shit. But it's okay. We got the trade. We got some dubs. 14 pips. 14 pips. W. Spam some W's in the chat, gang. Spam some dubs. Spam some dubs. Spam some W's in the chat. 14. I got 14. So 0.8%. Spam some W's in the chat, gang. Re-break previous candle. It's onion sell. Gold, London. What's that? 1:30, right? 1:30 p.m. And 8/27, 2025. Wow. Damn, gold. Nice trade, gang. Yeah, keep on spamming. Keep on spamming some W's in the chat. Keep that spamming the trade. Then W. Damn, we still melting here, chat. We are still melting here, gang. Spam some W's in the chat if you got that trade. Spam some dubs. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Spam some dubs. Chat, come on, let's go. Spam some W's in the chat. We got some sells plus 14 pips. Spam some W's and how much you got? Close full there. Oh, yeah, man. W. Let's go. How much you got, chat? How many pips? How much USD? Let's go. Drop it in the chat. How much? How many pips? How much you got in USD? So the chat knows. Damn, let's go. Yeah, I'm using funded account. W man, W. W chat. W everyone, W everyone. W gang, W. Can you please tell me what do you mean by closing half of the position? Is like a trailing? No, it's basically um you're closing half on your MetaTrader 5. We have a tutorial there, I believe, in what do you call this? In basic applications, you can learn there how to close half position on MetaTrader 5. Cha, before I diff up here, make sure you follow me on IG for more trading content, all right? Before I app up. Follow the IG gang and for more trading content. So we pick how many pips now? We pick 46 pip here, gang. That's dubs. If you're holding the trade, you're really taking profit on the support here, man. You're making money. You're making bugs here. You are making bugs. That was really nice. Yeah, I believe it's if it's if it, yeah, it's in English. It's in English. All right, gang. I'm probably gonna call it the stream here. Thank you guys for hopping to the live stream. And yeah, if you got the trades there, congratulations. All right. I probably gonna call it the day, or I don't know, but let's see if we're gonna have if we have some potentials on the NY. Let's see. Yeah. So if you got the trades today, gang, make sure you have a stop loss. If you're gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss and don't over trade, don't over risk, gang. All right. Much love, everybody. See you guys tomorrow, YouTube chat. Love and wisdom. See you all, gang, and peace out. I'm out here. Love you guys. Peace, peace, peace. W's all the way out, gang. W's.
Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad would say when you see clothes close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe and I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you were a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Kids gon' listen to, huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible.